In the last video, we learnt words with the root astron, which means star. Let's revise them. Astronomy. Astronomy is the science of stars and other celestial bodies. Astrology. Astrology is the study of the movements of the planets, sun, moon, and stars, with the belief that these movements can have an influence on people's lives. Asterozoa. Asterozoa is the starfish family. Asterisk. An asterisk is a star-shaped symbol used in printing and writing, to direct the attention of the reader. Astrophile. An astrophile is a person who loves stars or astronomy. And finally, disaster. Dis means ill, and aster means star. In the olden days, it was believed that the unfavorable position of stars caused unfortunate events. Now let's learn 5 new words today with the root METRON, meaning measure. Just like always, there is a surprise word at the end, so keep watching. Our first word in today's video is symmetry. Syn means together or with, and metron means measure. Symmetry is agreement in proportions. It is the exact match in size and shape between two halves, parts or sides of something. Next is odometer. Odometer is an instrument that measures the distance traveled by a wheeled vehicle. Odo comes from the root word hodos, meaning way. Oximeter. Oximeter measures the oxygen level or oxygen saturation of the blood. This device has become a household name since COVID-19. Centimeter. Cent means 100. Hence centimeter is a unit of length equal to 1/100th of a meter. Thus there are 100 centimeters in a meter. Barometer. Barometer is an instrument that measures air pressure and indicates changes in weather. The root baros means weight. And now, are you ready for the surprise? And the word is sphygmomanometer. Phew, that was a really long word. Anyway, sphygmomanometer is an instrument that measures blood pressure. Sphygmos means pulse, and manometer measures air pressure. Now let's recap. Symmetry, odometer, oximeter, centimeter, barometer, sphygmomanometer. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding the words you want to learn or have difficulty in understanding, please write to me in the comment section below.